Hey guys, it's Ruby. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe before we start this video. So, I'm doing a hair tutorial today because I'm bored and I never did my hair on YouTube, I think. So, I'm going to be using this white stretchy thing and this spoon with the crown. The spoon has a crown and I'm using this comb and I'm using this shampoo to straighten my hair and this head tie and my blush. So first I am going to be taking out my scrunchie and going to be shampooing my hair with this whatever you call it. And now all I need to do for the magic to work is what is this? Next one. Ooh, this is more like it. But you know what would be more like it? If I just because this is the bow and look, I have a bow in my head. Okay, this is like the cutest thing ever. I love the hairstyle. It's so cute. We don't need that. They forgot this though. And they also didn't put my Kermit. I gotta do this over because I don't want this scrunchie in my hair. So all I need to go is like this. Now my Carmex. If some of you are wondering why this part is short and this one is long, because of this. I don't know why. It's the same thing, it's just like up more. And look at this. All I do, take this bad boy here, twist it, have a bun. Oh my god, this is the best. Like for part 2 if you want more. And subscribe. Bye guys. And I hope you enjoy. What is... Oh my god, you saw that thing sticking out my head? That was it for today. I'm bored.